How to buy Milei the Prisondent token. So this token came under the symbol of Jailmilei. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money on crypto. With the best referral code, simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 14 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. Now this token also trending number 21 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to money for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in white. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here select how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now to that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider which to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy a Jailmilei token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.